Okay, your leg check again. I help her lift him. Okay. Is he even?
Yes.
Okay. Does he need an adjustment on his back?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, good.
On the neck.
Okay.
Really slow.
Okay.
I gotta help you, Mommy. I gotta help you.
Did you help Daddy? Is he all good?
No.
Do you need any more adjustments? Oh wow, that's some... All right.
My little side, Daddy. My little side.
Is this what's known in the business as a drop?
Oh yeah. By yourself. Have to just my neck. Good here, Papa. Good sleep, Daddy.
This must be a drop.
Okay, or is that side posture?
Mommy, I pick it. Need your help.
You need my help?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. Well. Well, that's a different technique.
You sure this isn't wrestling?
No.
Is this chiropractic?
No.
What is it?
Yes.
Yes. Is it an adjustment?
Okay, you adjusting Daddy's back?
Okay.
You
Is
adjusting
he all
Daddy's
done?
No.
What the? Okay. Is this talk?
I don't think that's Palmer package.
What technique is this?
So does your intern do that? I don't think mine does.